VinFast, being a Vietnamese supplier, has all the advantages of China in terms of cost, but it doesn't have the political tangle in which China is right now, which can serve as an advantage. It's hard to say what exactly will happen, but it certainly, on the first look, it certainly looks like an advantage that they have the cost advantage, but they don't have necessarily the baggage that China carries when it comes to US or Europe.
When you consider the macro environment, when you consider that this is an intensely competitive space, 50,000 units targeted for this year, is that at risk or achievable?
See, it looks achievable in first look again, but the competition is very strong. And when I looked at the price positioning, they're coming quite close to Tesla, which is not a wise thing to do. You need to, in terms of power, in terms of price, you need to be well away from Tesla so that you're able to position yourself very well. 50,000 does look an ambitious target, but with the tailwinds that electric vehicle has, you never know.
Let's break out these numbers. So revenue more than doubled. Share price reaction suggests it's not a sustainable figure. Is that a fair assessment?
I would take all the share prices of EVs with a pinch of salt, especially as soon as they are listed, because most of the investors, and especially when they have gone through SPAC, SPAC, the investors don't really know what exactly they are paying for. There are short squeezes, so I wouldn't really read too much into the share prices. I will focus on what is their number of vehicles sold, revenue per vehicle, profitability per vehicle.
What then will the growth trajectory look like for VinFast in this intensely competitive market, and what then do they need to deliver to the consumer?
As far as any electric vehicle is concerned, they need to stay focused on excellent product. I think by and large the products work very well. They need to provide value chain, the charging, the entire ownership experience, and being able to monetize it. So it's not just about giving excellent product, but they should also be able to generate revenue out of it. So they need to keep customers happy, but at the same time keep their eyes on the revenue per vehicle.